Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Creamy layers, bold coffee, and that classic cocoa finish. This is how you master no-bake tiramisu at home. Creamy layers, bold coffee and a whisper of cocoa on top. That is the magic of tiramisu. This Italian classic tastes upscale, yet it is easy to make at home with simple tools. You will find a reliable method here with clear steps and smart swaps that fit your style. You do not need an oven. It is great for make ahead, perfect for weekends or holidays, and it travels well. Search-friendly ideas covered here include a classic tiramisu recipe, an authentic tiramisu feel, a no-bake dessert that is coffee-forward, and a kid-friendly tiramisu option. Plan on 20 to 30 minutes of hands-on time, then 4 to 24 hours to chill for deep flavor and clean slices. You will see options for alcohol-free, decaf, egg-free and gluten-free swaps. Here is the roadmap: what tiramisu is and why it works, a simple ingredients guide with smart picks, a step-by-step easy tiramisu recipe, plus variations, serving ideas, and fixes for common issues. What is tiramisu? Origin, flavor, and why this no-bake dessert works. A quick history of tiramisu from Italy to your kitchen. Tiramisu began in Treviso, Italy in the late 1960s. By the 1980s, it showed up in restaurants across the world. The name tells you what it does. Tiramisu means pick-me-up in Italian, thanks to coffee and cocoa. The idea is simple. Ladyfingers are dipped in espresso, then layered with mascarpone cream and dusted with cocoa. There is no baking. The fridge does the work. The layers settle, the coffee soaks in just enough, and the cream sets into neat, soft slices you can serve with pride. What tiramisu tastes like, texture, and sweetness level. Expect balance. It is creamy and light, with a coffee-forward taste and a mild sweetness. Cocoa adds a gentle bitterness, so each bite stays interesting. The texture is soft and fluffy, yet sliceable when fully chilled. It should not be soggy if you dip the ladyfingers fast. Resting time matters. As it chills, flavors blend and the layers set. That is how you get clean cuts and a smooth, cloud-like bite that still holds together on the plate. Coffee and alcohol in tiramisu. Can kids eat it? Most versions use espresso or very strong coffee. Alcohol is optional. Many bakers add marsala wine, dark rum, or a coffee liqueur for warmth and aroma. For kid-friendly tiramisu, use decaf coffee and skip the alcohol. You can also simmer the coffee mixture for 1 to 2 minutes to soften the alcohol flavor if you used any. Caffeine per serving is usually small, about 10 to 30 milligrams if you use brewed coffee spread across the pan. Choose what fits your table and enjoy. Tiramisu Ingredients Guide: what to buy in smart swaps. Mascarpone versus cream cheese: what works and how to choose. Mascarpone gives the classic taste and a silky body. Keep it cold but pliable for smooth mixing. Avoid vigorous beating. Cream cheese can work if you are out of mascarpone. Soften it well and lighten it with whipped cream to avoid a heavy, tangy flavor. Expect a slight change in taste. Tip: do not overmix mascarpone or it may turn grainy. Gentle folding keeps it lush and smooth. Best coffee for tiramisu: espresso, instant or strong brew. The best coffee for tiramisu is espresso or very strong coffee. Instant espresso powder makes a good backup that saves time. Always cool the coffee before dipping. Hot coffee will make the ladyfingers soggy and the layers muddy. Add optional flavors if you like, such as a splash of marsala, a hint of vanilla, or a pinch of salt. Dark rum or coffee liqueur adds warmth and depth. Ladyfingers 101, dry Savoiardi versus soft, plus gluten-free picks. Dry Savoiardi are firm and hold their shape. They give you the neatest slices. Dip them fast, about 1 to 2 seconds per side. Soft ladyfingers soak faster and can collapse. Freeze them for 10 minutes before dipping to help them hold up. Gluten-free ladyfingers work well too. Dip even faster to avoid crumbling. Build tight layers so the cream supports the structure. Eggs, cream, and sugar, safe options without raw eggs. A classic version uses egg yolks and sometimes whipped egg whites. Use pasteurized eggs for safety. You can also cook the yolks with sugar over simmering water until thick, then cool before folding in mascarpone. This gives a rich, stable base. For an egg-free option, blend mascarpone with lightly sweetened whipped cream. It is soft, stable, and easy for new bakers. Cocoa, chocolate, and add-ins that boost flavor. Use unsweetened cocoa powder. Dutch processed gives a deeper color and a smoother, milder taste. Add-ins can be fun. Try dark chocolate shavings, a little orange zest, or a tiny pinch of cinnamon. Keep it light so coffee stays the star. Dust cocoa right before serving to keep the top clean and dry. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into fun variations and pro plating tips. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.